Doing it again. Oh, just kidding.
Yeah, I just wanted.
Is it on?
Yes.
Okay, so something I learned at Holiday World. The cat chases the mouse.
Forgot about Holiday World.
Oh, I was gonna go for 2. Hang on. It's right there. I suck at it. I still can't get it down. I did it for a full summer and I still don't have it.
The prodigal son has returned. Our missing guitar player has joined us.
I'm
Here
so
he is.
sorry, really. But hey, on a scale of 1 to 10, how country do I look right now? Yeah?
Yeah.
Come on.
Makes up for everything.
Yeah. By the way, I put new strings so it won't hold a tune yet. So I'm trying to play the heck out of it right now. And I'll tune it later.
Miking the guitar amp.
Attempting to.
What's it doing? Hold on a second.
So Alex, what'd you say that guy did again?
It's like a velociraptor. It's like, hey, let's go.
16 years old, I was running out of money at 10. I was left to spend all my money. No gas, no idea what to do.
This one was a fun one, and it went by pretty quick, even though I'm supposed to be out by 1:30, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning, just about right now. Got probably 4 minutes till something like that, yeah. But that's it.
It's a rap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's country music, so we don't rap. So
Yeah.
unless you're big and rich, then that goes down. But
Or Tim McGraw and Nelly. Circa
That happened?
early 2000s, yeah. Over and over again. You
Really?
never- yeah.
Okay, we'll look
You'll
that
have
up
to
later.
listen. Thanks so much for giving us so many views.
Yeah,
Man,
thanks for coming in and watching our stuff, and
Follow us on Facebook.
We
Yeah.
really, really appreciate it.
hoping we're keeping you entertained at all times. And yeah, so hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Keep watching, and we'll try to keep you entertained, like I said. So
Redundance for the win.
redundance.
Redundance.
It's like
Redundance.
gets the message there.
It gets the message there.
Okay. All right, see you guys.
Bye.
We'll see you Sunday. Maybe RCAB recording another single.
RCA Studio B.
Yep. So see you guys later.